Hi everyone, it's John here again. Just a quick video on how to change the vacuum bag on a Hoover Action Pets vacuum cleaner. What to do is just lift this up. So it clicks up so it'll stay up permanently. All you need to do is just this little plastic insert just comes out just like so. And what you need to do is just move the insert out. It's just going to be a little bit slow being one-handed. Oh, just a little bit full this time around. Just get yourself the new bag. And as you can see here, there's a little arrow. Of course, arrow downhill. Just reinsert everything back in again. Now you'll see that there's two little slits here. You've got two little arms. Just in she goes like so. Tuck everything in. And then voila, all done. All you need to do now is just grab the top. Sometimes it's just a little bit stubborn until you hear the crack, but always be careful, of course. Do it nice and slow. Down and then click. I hope you found this video beneficial and hope to hear from you soon. Bye for now.